Technology has developed so much that it's made everything around us so easy. Today, we can get everything at the tip of our hands. We can also roam throughout the world just by sitting at your home. Yes, you heard it right. Today, as the generation has evolved so much, it has also made it easy for us to travel to any place with our own home. We're talking about Boxable Casita. We're sure that many of you might have heard this term for a long time now, as it was in the news after Elon Musk said that he's going to buy a $50,000 Boxable Casita. Before moving forward, let me ask you all, what are your expectations about this Boxable Casita? What do you all think that this Boxable Casita has got to offer? Comment down below and let us know. Boxable Casita, as we already know, are those which can be moved easily. It's very clearly designed in a way that it occupies less space and yet offers every necessity just like a house. This invention has brought a revolutionary change in designing the home. Boxable, founded by Galliano Tiramani and Paolo Tiramani in 2017, is a patented manufacturing technology that was brought up to change the system of designing houses in a way that reduces the cost of construction by 40% and also is effective in building the houses quickly by 80%. It's situated in Las Vegas, Nevada, United States. The legal name of this Boxable company is Boxable Inc. When we talk about such kinds of homes, we also have doubt whether these homes are safe or not, but we can see that these homes are as safe as the homes we all live in. And it's because of all the good materials that they've used, which make it fire resistant, durable, and also hurricane proof. We'll look into this in more detail further in the video. If we see the history of these modular homes, we can see that it was first thought by an American architect, Carl Koch, in 1947, who had failed in building a perfectly folded house for many reasons, like the kitchen unit and the bathtub cannot be folded. The plumbing was difficult at that time, etc. Although Koch had many interested buyers and investors, he could never get it folded. Even the Boxable company has faced issues like the shipping container as the spaces inside were not spacious and even the transportation was being difficult as the boxes were too big, etc. But Boxable was lucky and intelligent enough to not face this kind of situation and successful in building such a factory. Today Boxable is ready to deliver its houses all over the world to thousands of people. The price of the Casita is $50,000, but we need to pay the shipping charges of some amount per 2 miles from Las Vegas. Boxable has introduced its first ever Casita, which is 375 square feet and is a very unique foldable house that gives facilities like a bathroom, kitchen, small living area, etc. It's a house in a box. All these facilities for only $50,000 feel like a cherry on top. It can be used for any purpose like traveling to any other place and living in a small house. It can also be used as a small business office in the backyard, etc. The best part about these houses is that they're made of steel, concrete, and expanded polystyrene foam, which makes them strong, having an efficient lifetime. Unlike all other buildings, these casitas have walls and floors which are structurally laminated and won't get damaged by water as it doesn't use cheap products. The only thing that isn't offered by Boxable is the land in sight where this casita can be set up. The price of this land in sight depends upon the location. It's very attractive even when celebrities like Elon Musk are being attracted and buying these houses. So we can see that the popularity of these houses is increasing day by day, and very soon we may all start living in such houses. So how does it work? These Boxable Casitas are packed and folded in a 20-foot shipping container and delivered to the customer's place, where the members of the Boxable company themselves unfold it into our own home. It just takes 1 hour to completely assemble the house, after which all we require to do is hook it up with an electric and plumbing facility. The main walls require some help to lift them, but the other walls are so lightweight that even we can push them and build them by ourselves. If we can put it in simple words, then assembling this house is a lot easier than assembling IKEA furniture. The Boxable company won't just stop here. They have more plans on which they've already started working on. They're even planning to work on bigger units which include multi-family designs. Their aim is to create more houses at a very affordable cost, which was not available ever before. Make sure to stick around because what's coming next is very interesting, where we'll see the inside of the $50,000 Boxable Casita. What's inside Boxable Casita? These Boxable Casitas are very similar to the studio apartment, where when we enter this house on the front, we can see a sitting area having 9 feet 6-inch ceilings, 8 huge doors and windows, white plank composite flooring, a built-in ironing center, washer, dryer, heating and air conditioner, couch, and a TV. And walking further on the right side, we can find a full-size kitchen with a large fridge, spacious cabinets to fill it up with utensils, an oven, a dishwasher, and double sink with a view. And then moving to the left side, we can see that there's a sleeping area, having a comfortable queen-size bed with a good number of pillows and a built-in closet in such a way that it blocks the living area and the sleeping area. There are also 2 windows beside the bed. The closet, although not that much spacious, can still fit in all our stuff. They can be customized later on. And of course, the house is incomplete without a bathroom. So later in that house, we have a bathroom. The bathroom looks so fancy, and that too is within a budget. According to the amount they've spent, the bathroom looks pretty modern and good. In the bathroom, we can find that the Boxable granny flat is loaded with, there's a deep shower tub, a vessel sink, a pretty cool backlit mirror, and a sliding glass barn door. All these make it super aesthetic. These Boxable houses also come with ultra-low utility bills, which include insulation technology and included LED lighting that will save us money every day. A very noticeable thing in this house is that there are hinges on the ceiling to fold them up. The walls were made to handle anything. It's even fire resistant. It's also strong, so we can connect it with other casitas and make it look big. We can connect it up to 5 to 7 stories high. Overall, we can see that Boxable Casitas have gained a lot of praise from all over the world, and thus it's become a remarkable accomplishment for the Boxable company in achieving this success. Its well-designed function has left every person attracted to it, and the important thing is that the materials used in these houses are very strong and durable materials, unlike the traditional houses. It's become successful in building a truly remarkable house that will definitely affect our way of living in the coming years. They're budget-friendly and safe to use, which develops a high chance of being our future houses. What are your opinions if this kind of foldable house really becomes our future house? Let us know by commenting down below in the comment section. Until next time, check out the rest of the videos from our channel so you can enjoy the content of more interesting videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down if you have any suggestions on what topic we should make a video on next. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Hope you all have a great day.